Okay. So, Richa, firstly, a very warm welcome to you from the whole family of 89.1 Radio 4. And how are
Thank
you
you.
doing this afternoon?
I'm fine. Thank you for having me. I'm here to talk about my upcoming film, Shakila. Um,
Yeah, I mean, it's really surreal because after the whole pandemic, this is the first interview that we're doing with a Bollywood celebrity. काफी टाइम से कुछ हुआ नहीं है इस front पे, so that itself is very exciting. और सबसे पहला तो मुझे I want to ask you that how did this entire project come into place, and how did you become a part of it?
Hi. I was approached by I think the producer and the director who knew Shakila and have of following her life and her career and her story. Um, and when they told me about what kind of a phenomena she was down south and how popular she was and how her films would get more box office than some of the top stars, etc. So I was very intrigued, and then primarily because of the subject matter, I agreed instantly because I thought that no one knows about this
Right. Yeah.
lady, and
Yeah.
I mean, at least not in the north. And the other thing was that her story itself was very cinematic. Like
Yeah.
her mother forced her into this line of work. Her
Mm-hmm.
mother was a junior artist, um, and like there was an assassination attempt on her, and some very big stars were responsible for actually ruining her career. So all those things I found quite interesting about her.
Is all of
Like,
that part of the
ha,
film? Like, has it?
see, so many weird things happened in our life that we couldn't put everything, but yeah, we've put a lot in.
Okay. And Richa, you always do these really, I mean, these films which are very difficult, roles which are controversial. So, I want to ask you, do producers also approach you with regular, girl next door kind of roles or not? They've stopped doing that anymore.
I don't think that I had a chance, yeah.
Yeah,
After
actually,
starting with a film like Gangs of
gangs,
Wasipur
yeah.
and all, you don't really like no one thinks you can be normal. No one think like that's just not going to happen. So
Right.
yeah,
Do you miss it though?
I mean, if you mean that I miss being easy on a set and just looking pretty
Yeah.
and getting pots of money and just hanging out, yeah, then I do miss it.
No, but I think this totally has given you a niche, and it's very difficult, in today's day and age to carve that for yourself in such a short time. जो आपने कर दिया है.
Thank you.
So,
Uh,
when you were starting this film, obviously you knew that there'll be a lot of comparison with Silk Smita and The Dirty Picture, which is already such a big hit, and Vidya Balan kind of got immortalized with that particular role. So,
yeah.
those apprehensions were definitely there, right? How did you address them?
I thought that at least, I'll be compared to someone so cool
Hmm,
like Vidya. And the film also, The Dirty Picture was a good film, At
of
least,
course.
see, I knew that there would be comparisons and that is inevitable. Uh, but at least I'm not being compared to something really crap.
Yeah.
So I'm happy about that. And to a certain extent, I think that you can't help there in being comparisons because they worked around the same time.
Hmm,
When Silk passed away suddenly, this woman rose to fame.
hmm, hmm.
Like she directly benefited from Silk Smita's absence because there
Yeah.
was a vacuum created in the
And she
industry.
had already kind of set
Yeah.
the stage for this kind of uh, another character, on-screen character rather.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. There's a small scene in the Dirty Picture also where I think Silk's character is slapping Shakila's character on a film
Yeah,
set because yeah.
yeah. I think that's there in the trailer of your film also.
Yeah, that
There is
it
one
was a
slap
very
scene, I
big
think.
event.
हाँ.
Huh?
एक slap वाला scene है where you are slapping some girl.
I'm
Oh,
slapping.
I think that's a different
Uh,
scene, I guess.
Maybe I'm getting slapped. I don't.
Yeah, maybe I.
But I don't know. Maybe I'd have to watch the trailer more carefully. I think Ronak, you watched it more carefully than I have. But yeah, I think that it was a big important event in her life.
Okay.
This slap and the reverberations, that she wanted to quit everything and just relax and not act anymore. But because Silk passed away, um, she got a lot more offers.
Thappad ki goonj, I guess. You know that whole iconic scene from Karma. So how did you prepare for this role? Not much is known about her. I'm sure you also didn't know much about her. कैसे prepare किया आपने?
See, because we didn't have to do very authentic sort of language work or whatever, I didn't have to work on diction and dialogue. Those are the two key things I do for any character.
Hmm.
But I mean, I had to put on weight, which I did, lots of weight on my belly.
Yeah.
Um, and yeah, other than that, like, we were only going to talk about her personal life and her personal story, her relationship uh, with her mom, and her like trying to get love in her life and all that. So all those things are there. So I mean, as such, I didn't have to do any method or anything for this
Okay.
character.
पर ये फिल्म
I
क्या
just
हमेशा
wanted her to have a lot of dignity. हाँ, क्या बोले थे आप?
ये फिल्म क्या हमेशा ओटी मतलब थिएटर में ही आने वाली थी या पहले इट वाज प्लान फॉर एन ओटीटी रिलीज?
एक्चुअली किसी ने सोचा नहीं था, जब हमने शुरू की थी तो कोरोना वायरस का दूर दूर तक कोई नाम नहीं था.
करेक्ट.
उसके बाद ये फिल्म सिनेमाज में आने वाली थी in March, but the pandemic happened, and they wanted to come in cinemas because they were considering also the South market,
ओके.
the four other languages where it will be released simultaneously.
ओके. ओके. और
Yeah.
यू आर वर्किंग विद पंकज त्रिपाठी, तो थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस बताइए बिकॉज ही इज सच अ चिल्ड आउट एक्टर एंड एज अ पर्सन हाउ इज ही? वी डोंट नो मच अबाउट हिम.
He's he's lovely. He's as decent as he is in real life. He's playing
Opposite.
completely indecent in this film. And he's somebody who's shown to be a mega star and also a hypocrite in the sense that he's always trying to give people unsolicited advice, or
Hmm.
finding ways of making an indecent proposal. And I think he's really had fun in this part. Like Nasir Saab in the Dirty Picture, this guy also, he's just, instead of parodying it,
Yeah.
he's really tried to take elements from people's lives, people we also meet in the
Hmm.
industry who say one thing but mean something else entirely, and they're, yeah, hypocrites for lack of a better word. So I think he's really he's really had fun.
Did you at any point also get to dip into your own experience as an actress while playing another actress on screen? Jaise when you were starting off, I'm sure now nobody will mess with you, but at that time.
No, don't be too sure. The messers can come at any time. Um, I don't think I had to dip into my personal experience, because obviously the world between uh, say the film industry in the 90s to the film industry in the 2010s and 12s, and like
Hmm.
has really changed. Plus I work in Bombay, plus I work in a certain kind of film, so I didn't have much of an experience to dip into it. But yeah, I did dip into this feeling of tried to find that one situation where I could feel abandoned or let down by somebody. In this case, her relationship with her family was very troubled because they
Okay.
literally milked her. She earned whatever she did for them, um, and it's a rags to riches to rags story.
Okay. Did you meet her by the way? Like, I'm sure she's still around and she's still active. So,
She's active, but she's active as a junior artist. She doesn't do so. Yeah, I met her for preparation and to chat with her, also to make her feel comfortable that I will do a good job with her life story. And that's, I think, a key thing when you have somebody who's still alive. You have to make sure that you portray them with dignity
dignity,
and
yeah. And take them in
yeah,
confidence, yeah.
take them in confidence, and also they should feel comfortable that
Hmm.
nothing that is not true or something that is demeaning to them will not be
Hmm.
highlighted, showcased. The idea of this is not to pity her, but to actually have empathy for her and do a dignified human portrayal.
Hmm. Acha, and
Just one
when,
sec, huh?
yeah.
1 second. ओ भाई, ये जा रही है बलून के पास. Sorry, my cat.
Oh, अच्छा, you have a cat there.
इसको दीदी नहीं मार मत, उसको शायद पत्ते खाने हैं बस. पत्ते खा रही है. खा लो पत्ते खा लो. Sorry. Yeah.
What's her name?
जुगनी चड्डा.
Does she have an Instagram account and all of that? A lot of people have these days.
But you can find her on mine.
Yeah, that
Find her
I'm
on
sure.
mine.
Yeah, if I go on your feed, I'll find that. And yeah, quite cute actually, Jugni Chadda. So
जुगनी चड्डा.
uh, yeah, just towards the end, I also want to ask you one or two questions over and above Shakila. आजकल जो चल रहा है बॉलीवुड में, ये पूरी एक लहर चल पड़ी है बॉयकॉट बॉलीवुड की. What do you make of it?
कर दो boycott. कर
Like,
दो. मत बुलाओ, फिर कॉन्क्लेव में मत बुलाओ, टॉक में मत बुलाओ, एड्स में मत देखो, गाने मत सुनो. कर दो, बॉयकॉट कर दो.
but do you think something like that is practically possible? And it's coming from a certain section of audience which seem to be miffed,
No,
and like
it's
there is
not
a lot of
coming
other
from
things.
any audience. Audience has lots to worry about, bro. If you were living in India, you would know that the cost of diesel and petrol, you're in the Gulf, so you probably have it cheaper, is touching 100. So Indians have lots to worry about,
Of
like
course,
this
yeah,
economy, the lockdown, the pandemic.
mm,
This is a certain section of people who have different interests from within the industry,
correct.
that they are calling for boycott. What is Bollywood? What Bollywood doesn't exist. There's no Bollywood. It's just a derived term for the Hindi film industry based on some Hollywood. Like, I just find it very stupid.
A
No
lot of people
one
do,
like,
yeah, a lot of people do.
yeah.
I mean, it
No,
is a
lots. I mean, I think this is complete manufactured outrage. If you
mm,
want to outrage about something, you should outrage about the issues that matter, like royalty, pay parity, ticket prices. Those are real things. You want to talk
mm,
about change, do that. No,
mm.
it's so easy to start a hashtag.
Absolutely, yeah, yeah.
Cost
And
nothing.
a- as I call a lot of people who do only online protest as keyboard warriors, because it's very easy to just leave a tweet and then go back to doing, like, you can say that I really care about this star or I care about this thing being done, and then the next minute you are going and doing your own thing and watching something on OTT or going and eating out or जो भी करना है आप.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, you can't be selective about your protest, right? Like that. Just
No, there's no. I'm telling you, this is completely manufactured, and everybody here knows that this is manufactured, and people who are manufacturing it are so slowly digging their own grave, because they're ceasing to look like people who are artists, people who are directors, actors, writers. You have to have a certain large heartedness if you have to be an artist. You have to be generous, you have to talk about things in society. So in the absence of that, nothing, all of this is meaningless.
and you just one more thing. You did that AIB video recently, so it was quite hilarious. I really enjoyed watching it. So
Thank you.
the only thing I want to ask you is that once you do something like this and then it drops uh, online, after that, what kind of reactions do you get? And then when you meet people from the same sphere, जिनको आपने spoof किया है, तो क्या awkward हो जाता है situation उस time पे थोड़ा?
एक्चुअली जब वो वीडियो आया था तो किसी ने केस कर दिया था AIB पे, which now doesn't exist anyway. So at that time, not too many people will watch it. Now you're saying it's live, so I'll also
Of
watch
course,
it and
no, you
share it
didn't
now.
know. I just like I thought it's new because I saw it and it was uploaded just a few days back. और मैंने अभी
Yeah, so
देखा
there
like
must have been no, no,
10-15
no. When
दिन
it
पहले
came
देखा.
out, there was a huge. When it came out, somebody put a case, and then there was some royalty and some issue, and they banned it.
Hmm.
So if it's out now, then I don't know how people will react after.
You are still
So I
waiting
don't
for
know.
the reactions from people.
Mostly people don't react to me adversely because
I don't know.
have a
People are
sense of
scared of
humor
you.
about your work. I don't know why.
People are scared of you.
I know, perhaps, but
You like
I
that.
don't know. I don't like it or dislike it, but it's like
You
people
continue.
being scared of Amrish Puri because he did DDLJ, or me because I did one Bholi character. So I find it silly. There's nothing I can say that, oh, look, I'm so nice.
Okay.
Want to
Chalo.
be scared, it's their choice.
Uh, Richa, you've been absolutely like you answered all my questions very bravely. So I have a fun game for you, a small fun game which I just thought last night, and I thought we should play it. So since we are at
Okay,
the year end and a lot of things have happened this year. I thought I'll
hmm,
just quickly ask you one thing, and you just have to say whatever comes to your mind first about the
sure,
last year, about this year, basically 2020.
sure,
Okay?
yeah,
So brace yourself. I'll start.
yeah.
Um, Favorite OTT series this year?
Favorite OTT?
Any Hollywood, Bollywood, कुछ भी चलेगा.
Anything?
हाँ.
Then there was a series called Mrs. America.
Okay. On.
Yeah.
I
It was on Hotstar in India,
Okay.
but it's
It
an
doesn't come
HBO
here.
series.
Okay.
Sorry.
Doesn't
It was
stay
an
here.
HBO series on the feminist movement. So, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Um, the favorite OTT film.
Favorite OTT film? I think the film I enjoyed here, it released here. I don't know if it released there or not. It was called Bulbul by
Of
Anvita
course,
Dutt.
of course. Yeah, I even
Yeah,
I watched it and I enjoyed it thoroughly.
I liked it. Yeah.
Yeah. The last film that you saw in the theaters.
Tenet, I went
Oh, you did.
2 3 days. Yeah, I went three
You
4 days
braved
ago. No, I
everything.
mean you can't keep an like a cinema person away from the halls
Correct.
for a
No,
very
I
long
also watched
time.
Tenet and reviewed it also, and I watched it in the theater much before
Is
you
your
guys.
mind blown? How many times did you watch it to
I had
understand?
to review it,
Hmm.
and I watched it
Okay.
back in like October or something. Or मुझे तो
Oh, good.
and my last line of the review was that don't like one of the characters says, "Na, don't try to understand it, just enjoy it." So that's
Yeah.
it's a visual spectacle, you know. You don't have to really all the time try and understand it. Just enjoy it.
Yeah.
That's what I did.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
last film you shot for before we went into the lockdown.
Before the lockdown,
Hmm.
um, I shot for a film called Madam Chief Minister, which will be out next year.
Okay. Last country you visited before we went into a lockdown, or any time, or this year, basically.
The last country I went to was Egypt.
Okay. Shoot.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, for a film festival in October.
Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Most exciting thing that you did this lockdown.
Stayed in.
You
Uh,
still in lockdown.
learned how to cook.
Okay. Chalo, that's
Yeah.
the most exciting thing your
Actually,
family
yeah.
did.
Moved into a new house in the lockdown.
Oh, okay. Congratulations.
Yeah.
And
Thank you.
most boring thing you found to do this lockdown? Like, what was something that really bored you to death?
Cooking, learning how to cook.
Okay.
Boring.
You already
I'm a
answered this.
good cook, but I didn't enjoy it.
What is it that you cook the best?
Basics, I've aced all the home food, dal, chawal, roti, sabzi. I learned a little bit of Thai, South Indian,
Wow.
Bengali food,
Someone was really
Italian
productive
ones.
in the lockdown.
I mean, I got bored of my own cooking, so I had to experiment. But I can't say I enjoyed it. It was like
Same here.
survival cooking.
I also once I came here like 3 years back, I started cooking, and now I've aced all the basic stuff, but I haven't moved on to advanced stuff like you.
It's actually easy.
Yeah, it is. I mean, मैं तो सब
Mm.
पहले onion डाल के उसका gravy बना के then I just make whatever else I have to make. Onion and tomato are the two
The
constant in
staples
everything.
of Indian.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And one last question: best thing about the lockdown?
Hmm. The best thing about the lockdown was, according to me, was the environmental impact for the little few first 2 3 months when
That is all.
we heard of the lesser pollution and animals walking around freely and fish coming back, and that was made me very happy.
Okay. All right. So great. I think it was a wonderful interview. और मैं खामखा डर रहा था कि पता नहीं रिचा चिल्ला देगी बीच रास्ते में मुझ पे
नहीं
if I
नहीं,
ask you something
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
untoward.
No, I don't get angry so often or so easily. I'm just very straightforward, so maybe that's people
I
don't
think, yeah,
like to
that's
hear the truth.
misconstrued as, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. No, but you've been perfect Miss Congeniality with me, and thank you so much. And Richa, just जाने से पहले एक we are doing one very big competition which is on right now. It's called Winner Life,
Okay.
and basically we're giving away 1 year का uh, apartment, car, fuel, furniture, everything, and furniture and also you can keep forever. And we're giving it away, and we're like, it's the biggest contest that has happened in the UAE so far.
Sounds really fun, man.
So, do you want to
Yeah.
do
So
like a
what is the
call out?
contest?
It's called Homes Are Us Winner Life Contest.
So what should I say?
You can just tell people to register and participate on our website. I mean, they can register on our website, or they can
Homes
just
are
send.
us, win a life.
Yeah, they can
Win
just
a life.
send an SMS on 6889. That also you can say. Anything they can.
No, but what is the, sorry, what's your radio station called? Radio 4.
Radio 4, yeah.
Radio 4.
Yeah.
Win a life for Homes are us. Yeah.
Homes Are Us is the name of the
Brand.
main brand that is giving away everything.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you can just,
Great. Should I say?
yeah.
Hi guys, this is Richa Chadda, and I can't believe I've just heard of this most unbelievable contest called Win a Life. I don't know what you're waiting for. You could win a house, a car, a fuel, furniture, and God knows what all. So definitely register for it. It's totally worth a shot.
Okay. Thank you so
Okay?
much. This is really good. Really good. One take artist, na?
Thanks. I'm
Okay.
an actor, remember?
Of
Thanks.
course, yeah. Okay, so I think I mean, I've asked both the questions here only. So I'll use this feed only
Yeah.
for my own channel as well.
Acha, okay.
क्योंकि हम
I don't
अलग
know.
questions तो क्या करेंगे ना? Like we've already,
I don't know. Whatever.
yeah,
I'm
let's
just here doing a job. जो भी है मेरे को बता दो.
ठीक है, no, it was really cool, and thank you so much for being with us on Radio 4.
Thanks, Rana. Thank you. Have a good rest of the Sunday.
You too, and have a great year. Happy New Year to you in advance.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.